Sulit sa sarap na unli hotpot, unlimited grill, and unlimited ice cream for as low as 599 pesos lang. They are serving fresh and high-quality ingredients kaya talagang masarap ang mga pagkain. Unlimited drinks na rin nga pala dito. Ang rates dito kapag Monday to Thursday ay 599 pesos. 699 pesos naman from Friday to Sunday. At tuwing holidays. Add 300 pesos kapag gusto nyo ng may grill. Plus 5% service charge. Maximum of 2 hours, no leftover policy. Kaya huwag kayong kukuha ng hindi nyo kayang ubusin kung ayaw nyong ma-charge ng 1,000 pesos per table for leftover. Bukod sa masasarap na pagkain dito, maganda rin yung restaurant ambience. Dito lang yan sa Gong Fu Hotpot located at 223 Nicanor Garcia Street, Bel Air 2, Makati City, in front of Jazz Mall, SMDC, Makati. They are open from 9 a.m. until 2 a.m. Meron din sila ditong VIP room and function room na magandang venue to celebrate special occasions with your family and friends. Very friendly and accommodating din ang mga staff dito. Kaya for sure, mag-e-enjoy talaga kayo dito. Kaya tara na!